from the game. Monday Night Football at Heinz Field in Pittsburgh host the Bengals, both in search of their first win. Kickoff at 8:15. And in her first match since winning the U.S. Open, Bianca Andreescu picked up a 3-set win today over Alexandra Sasnovich at the China Open. Sports at 15 and 45 past every hour or anytime at sportsnet.ca/590.
I'm so happy. I'm happy. I'm so happy. I'm happy. I'm so happy. I'm happy.
If you're dealing with erectile dysfunction or want to enhance your performance, talk to Revita Medical. They've helped over 1.2 million guys worldwide. Visit revitamedical.ca and things could be looking up for you.
I'm happy in my pants today.
Every year, millions fly with us at Allegiant because together we go places. From how we go to where we go to what we do when we get there, we love doing it together. Save when you book flights, hotels, and
Book a non-stop flight from Niagara Falls to Tampa St. Pete one way for as low as $62 US. Must be purchased by October 16, 2019. For travel between October 13, 2019 and January 9, 2020. Seats and stays are limited. Restrictions apply. See Allegiant.com for details.
680 News Time, 1047.
So just how dependable are the TTC's new streetcars? As the city's Alex Bloomfield reports, they're apparently not as reliable as the TTC has been publicly reporting.
The Toronto Star reports the TTC is keeping 2 sets of stats on its new fleet. One public reflecting only the mechanical delays for which Bombardier can be deemed responsible under the terms of its contract, and one private factoring in a broader range of problems using the method the TTC used for its old fleet. The public numbers reporting
The right lane and the ramp lane closed off, and that again is all because of a police investigation. Now eastbound 401 getting quite busy from approaching Westney all the way through to those problems approaching Salem. Again, it's a police investigation, so you'll want to give yourself lots of extra time through there. Once you're past that point, everything moves much better towards the Oshawa area. If you're eastbound on the QE-Gardner combination, no delays or problems at the time. It's pretty quiet through there right now. Looking at the westbound 401, minor delays building as you make your way from west of Leslie all the way through to Bayview, mainly in the Express. Westbound 401, starting to see a buildup now from west of the 427 to approaching Dixie, mainly in the collector lanes. I'm not seeing a problem, but it definitely is slow through there. And then westbound 401, volume building west of Trafalgar to James Snow Parkway. And it looks like that they're turning the camera right now on that westbound 401 right around Dixie and the collectors. Looks like we've got 3 lanes now blocked off because of a collision. Emergency crews not yet on the scene, but again, that's westbound 401. It is just as you approach Dixie and the collectors. Looks like this collision just happened, and we've got 3 left lanes blocked off. Looks like one of the vehicles has hit the guardrail, so this could be quite a while, and that is why it is slow from west of the 427. 175 years of non-stop fun. It's the Markham Fair this Thursday to Sunday. Musical performances, midway ride.